to one and all. The 21st century is about the management of all the knowledge and information we have generated so far, and our special touch is value addition that makes a difference. The seemingly simple task of value addition can be successfully performed only by creative, imaginative, sensible and logical minds developed through conscious and careful steps. To hand over such ignited personalities to the society, Mr. Neville Mehta, Managing Trustee of Boys Town Public School, started a junior college in 2005. Being a great visionary, he set open-ended systems in the college that gave great emphasis on basic values like discipline, respect, punctuality and humanity. Before we all match our steps with the fabulous performances of our students, let me present you the memory lane of the year 2011-12.
The focus of the management always being the rapid and concrete progress of the students, it constantly finds ways to help the students accommodating itself into the changing scenario in the educational field. Hence, decided to join one of the leading institutes, Science Academy, together to impart specialized coaching for the competitive examinations as a part of regular HSC education. Due to the glorious results and the demand of the parents, we have started with Commerce section from the year 2011-12. The constant support and guidance adorn this beautiful campus with all the required facilities and amenities for the bright future of our students. We here, as a team of well-qualified teachers, work towards the all-time goal of sending well-groomed youth in the society every year. The combination of all these dedicated efforts has resulted in the emergence of Boys Town Junior College with a feather in its cap of giving the best results in the HSC board examination as well as the entrance examination. Here, academics is always very well taken care of. Therefore, completion of the portions, practicals, projects, etc. well in time provides a lot of peaceful time to the students for their self-study. As embroidery enriches the fabric, co-curricular activities give an additional glow to the personality. Boys Town Junior College conducts various co-curricular activities that play the role of stress busters in their busy schedules. One ornament for every student is a must, and that is a beautiful handwriting. To emphasize the importance of good handwriting, calligraphy competition was arranged for all the students on 19th September. The artists exhibited their sense of beauty and imagination in the flower arrangement competition conducted on 5th of September. Card making competition was held on Teachers' Day. In today's competitive world, the skill of public speaking and one's presence of mind can lead the youth to be the center of attraction, and we here train our students in that direction. Various events like national festivals, trustees' birthday, etc. give a golden chance to the students to stand in front of a huge gathering and speak fearlessly and of course appreciate the good work of great leaders. The annual function is a bonanza of various items woven around an educative theme. All such activities give a special identity to an individual and are eventually reflected in their versatile personality.
Boys Town Junior College proves itself as a college with a difference. The foresaid activities uncover the potentials of the students and create the feeling of we can, which is the main quality to attract success in any field. So, best of luck to all of you for your future endeavors. Thank you.